Hello. First open your Google. Tap on here. You find this option app info. Click on here. When you click on here, you also see this option permission. Tap on permission. When you click here, scroll down, you also see and find this option location. Click on here. After then option C, find Danny. Tap on and select here. When you select, minimize this option. After then open your Play Store account. After then when you open your Play Store account, search option, go search Firefox Focus. After then install and open it. When you open it, you see and find top right corner this option 3-dot line. Tap on here 3-dot line option. When you tap 3-dot line, you also see this option setting. Tap on setting. After then select general option. When you type general option, you also see make Firefox Focus default browser. Turn on notification icon. Select it. After then you select default app. Type your browse. After then you select Firefox. Minimize this account. After then go back and you find this option search. Tap on here and search this option google.com. When you search google.com, you find top right corner this option sign in. Click into here. When you click here, after then you enter your Gmail account number. When you enter your Gmail account number, after then type your number and wait few seconds. When you type Gmail number, you see this option next button. Tap on next button. After then you also find this option next button. Tap on here. When you tap on here, you also see and find this option forget password. Click into the forget password. When you click forget password, after then you see this option try again. Click into the try again. Click into try again. After then your account will be logged. Minimize this option. After then go to your phone setting. Open your phone setting. After then scroll down. When you scroll down your phone setting, you also see and find this option Google. Tap on here. When you tap Google option, you also see this option search all this question mark option. Tap on here. After then you select search and help. Tap on here. When you select search and help, enter and press hack Gmail. When you tap and search this option, you will see and find this option security hack or compromise Google account. Tap on here. When you tap on here, see this option secure a hack or compromise Google account. After then scroll down and see all page. After then scroll down and find this option account recovery page. Tap on here. When you tap on here, wait few seconds. After then enter and type your Google account, Gmail account or Google account. Tap on here. When you tap this option, after then enterprise next option. Tap on here. When you tap this option, you will see this option success. After then you will find two options, change password or continue. Tap on it change password. When you tap change password, you see this option new password and confirm password. Enter your new password. After then press confirm password. When you press confirm password, you will see this option change password. Thanks for watching this video.